Hey YouTube, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers and tech. And for this episode, we're going to unbox and do a quick review of the best uncomfortable sneaker that you can get today. If you guys haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so because we are giving away a brand new Yeezy 350 Boost Zebra, courtesy of our sponsor Shoe Freak PH, as well as an Epic React Flyknit the moment to hit 30,000 subscribers. Subscribe now. Follow me on IG. I love the adidas Prophere, and not a lot of people love the sneaker because it is loud, it is different, it is crazy, and it is just wild. But those are the exact reasons why I love the sneaker, because it's just so different. It's just so kick-ass. And that's the reason why I have several pairs, from the OG colorway to the all black to the all gray. I have the Rogue version, the Undefeated collaboration, and a bunch more other, Prophere sneakers that I've collected through the past few months. I'm even excited to cop the Prophere Dragon Ball Z collaboration featuring Cell. The green colorway, that one, I want to get that one. Now, this isn't going to be a flex video of me just sharing with you the different kinds of Propheres that I have. This will have a lesson at the end of it, and I hope that you guys stay until the end so that you can listen to what I have to say. The adidas Prophere is uncomfortable, it's heavy, and it's not something that you can wear a lot, often. Mainly because of those three things. And apart from that, it's also kind of hard to style, especially if you are in your 30s and you're used to wearing clothes a certain way. I mean, seriously guys, you have a chunky, spiky midsole. I mean, who wears sneakers with spiky midsoles? Not a lot of people. Who wears very thick and heavy sneakers like this one? But that, again, that's exactly the point why it's fun, because it challenges the way you look at yourself, the way you dress up, and the way you take a look at how style is supposed to be. Now, granted, this is heavy and you can't wear it for long hours. There are workarounds. You can work around it to be able to enjoy the style that brings to the table. One, you can change out the insole because it helps massively with the cushioning. I frequently use the D-Rupt insole that I have. It's one of the most comfortable insoles that you guys can get today. But you can also buy different kinds of memory foam or gel-like insoles from the malls to be able to insert it, and that helps the cushioning extreme levels. It makes it so much better just by inserting that insole. And secondly, you can plan when you can wear this. I mean, you don't have to wear this when you are traveling and you're going to walk for hours upon hours. You're going to run around the airport. This really isn't the wisest sneaker to bring with you. But hey, if it's a weekend and you're just going out with friends, or you just have a casual date out and you just, it's just for like a window of like 5 to 6 hours, then this might be something that you might want to wear if you want to challenge yourself with how you're going to dress. Which brings me to the main highlight of this vlog. This is the new Prophere colorway desert. I think it's like a desert camo kind of color. I saw this a few weeks ago, or actually maybe a month ago, from Shoe Freak PH, but it wasn't available in my size. A few days ago, Soul Academy announced it, but they only had size 11. But it was only today that I was finally able to cop one from the sneak peek over at Shangri-La, who had it in size 12. And here you have the sneaker. It just looks so sick with those giant 3 stripes that you have here in nubuck, that desert camo vibe for the upper, and that beige, creamish, brownish, spiky midsole that you have here with the Prophere. This actually looks like a lighter version of the Undefeated Camo Prophere that I already bought a few months ago. The Prophere sells for 6,000 pesos here in the Philippines, but usually they go on sale. And when that happens, that would be the best time actually to be able to cop them if you can get them at a good price. If you can get this for anywhere from like 4,000 to 5,000 pesos, if you ask me, that's already a steal. If you're the typical, guy who has mostly all black sneakers, all brown sneakers, all white sneakers that aren't colorful or loud and vibrant, then you may want to consider picking one of these bad boys up, if only to challenge the way you wear clothes or to challenge the way you wear sneakers. It's going to be a fun activity. It's going to be a fun experience for you to be able to pick up your first crazy sneaker like the Prophere and then try to figure out how to actually wear them properly. That's the fun part of being a sneakerhead. So what's the lesson of this vlog? Have a little fun. Step out of your comfort zone. Stop being a know-it-all and start being a learn-it-all. And that's it for this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please make sure that you hit the subscribe button. Make sure that you follow me on Instagram. I will be doing a full review of the adidas Prophere Desert Camo in a few days. So make sure that you're subscribed so you get notified when that goes up. Lastly, I am giving away Rastaclat bracelets from our sponsor, The Nines. If you want to win one, just click the link below of my video review of the living fossil from Saucony, and that should allow you to see how you can be part of the raffle for these bracelets. That's it for now. Peace. God bless.